Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to make a cheese omelet at home. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Don't forget about 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese like cheddar. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of butter or oil ready for the pan. It's a quick and delicious meal. Now let's get those eggs ready. Crack your 2 large eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Add the 1 tablespoon of milk, along with your pinch of salt and pepper. Take a fork or a whisk and beat the mixture vigorously. You want it to be light and frothy, with no clear egg white visible. This ensures a perfectly fluffy omelet every time. Keep whisking for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. It's time to cook. Place a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Once the butter is shimmering, pour your whisked egg mixture into the pan. Gently tilt the pan to ensure the bottom is evenly coated. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the edges are set, but the center still looks slightly wet and jiggly. Almost done. Now, sprinkle your 1/4 cup of shredded cheese over just 1/2 of the omelet. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, allowing the cheese to melt into a gooey, delicious layer. Once melted, gently fold the other half of the omelet over the cheesy side. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked cheese omelet onto a plate. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.